Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel guys. Okay, this is the 2014 Range Rover that I'm trying to drop the engine, and as I said, I will explain to you how to dismantle the engine step by step, and then how to prevent every other thing, and then how to keep them. Okay guys, let's go. Here we go. From here, I've already removed the clip, which you have to press here, press the other side, then take it off. You have to make sure you take out all these 4 hoses here for this water. Let me show you how you'll be taking it out completely. You come to this side, you remove this side also. I've removed the clips already. Then how you're gonna remove your hose complete, how you'll be removing your hose complete. So guys, we go, then you press here also, you take off this. Then after that guys, you remove your clip, you remove this, then you come again guys, you remove this clip from here, then you take out the hose complete. It's very hard. Then guys, when you lift it up, then you can now remove this from here. So that you can have your hose complete. It will be very easy for you to assemble it back when you are trying to assemble it. So you can now keep this one side here. Then you take out this complete. Then we come to the fan. Guys, then we need to separate this. You press this so that you can also separate it from the coolant. You do so at the other side to prevent it from damaging. So then we come to the radiator coat, then to this side. So guys, when I need to separate the hose, open the clip, separate the hose from here, then you use the screw so that we can remove our radiator coat from these 2 clips here. Guys, when you're trying to remove this, you slice it front, so that's how you take it out. Then right now I will loosen the fan. The fan is normal loosening. This is supercharged. Now you put your 36. Then you need to just tap it a little. Guys, you just have to tap your fan. Then you use your fan out. Then before doing that, before you remove the fan totally, make sure you separate the connector. Make sure you separate the connector. Then make sure you slice the wire. You slice it back. When you want to install it back, you install it like this. When you want to take it out, you slice it back so that you can remove the. Then we go like this. Guys, on the normal engine that is not supercharged, the fan is anti-clockwise. The fan is anti-clockwise. So So guys, the fan is out. The fan is out. So guys, I will come up with the third video. I will show you other things, how you remove your engine, how you start removing your either the fan coat, radiator, fan blade, and so on. Guys, if this is your first time watching my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, share my video. Thanks for watching.